Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to set up your lateral reading slideshows using the VoiceThread app. To navigate to VoiceThread, sign into your Google account and find your Google Apps in the upper right corner and select VoiceThread. The format of your lateral reading activity will be similar to a slideshow, so you'll need screenshots of the sites you are reviewing and discussing so that you can import the images into VoiceThread. For example, I'm going to discuss these sites. So I'll need screenshots of each saved to my computer in order to create my presentation. Once you have your screenshots organized into a folder, you can begin your presentation. I'm going to show an example of one website that I'll review, but remember, you should be reviewing 4 pieces of media using the questions that are included. For my website review, I have 6 screenshots that I'll use. Select the Create button at the top, add media, and then My Computer. Navigate to your folder where you have your screenshots stored, and then to import all at once, select the item at the top, and then using the Shift key and the down arrow key, you can select all items in the list. Click Open, and then it's going to ask that you give your presentation a name. I'm going to use Lateral Reading Activity, Amy Borges. Once you have your screenshots in VoiceThread, you can adjust the order by clicking and dragging the images. Once the images are in the correct order, you're ready to begin adding comments and annotations to the presentation. Select the comment button at the top, and it will bring you to the commenting window. There's a button at the bottom of the screen that has a plus sign. When you click on this button, it shows you the options for adding comments. I'm going to use audio comments. Once I click on this button, it will begin recording my audio comment. I'm going to review the website for the organization, the American College of Pediatricians. This title sounds very official and strikingly similar to the leading organization for U.S. pediatricians, the American Academy of Pediatrics. I'll need to dig a little deeper to find out more. When I click Stop Recording, it begins to upload my audio comment. Then I can click Save. My comment will appear on the left pane of the window, and then I'm ready to move on. To advance to the next slide, I'll use the right arrow. On this slide, I'm going to add an audio comment, and I'm also going to add annotations using a drawing tool. Once I click on the audio comment button, it will allow me to also add annotations using a drawing tool. I'm going to take a look at the website's About info. It seems pretty straightforward. There's a section for principals as well as a section that includes the history of the organization. A few things do stand out as odd. They're emphasizing the mother-father family unit in 2 different places, and they're also mentioning the context of marriage. Is there a bias or an extremist ideology? Let's continue searching to find out more. When I click on Stop Recording, it uploads my comment, and I can save it, and it appears in the left pane of the window, and I am ready to move on. For my third slide, I'm going to conduct a Google search for American College of Pediatricians credibility. Lateral reading is using other online sources to either corroborate or disqualify information that you may find questionable. Slides 4, 5, and 6 consist of screenshots of websites from my Google search. There's a screenshot from the Southern Poverty Law Center, a screenshot from MediaBiasFactCheck.com, and a screenshot from Wikipedia. I'll add comments to each of these slides to explain that the American College of Pediatricians is an extremist organization that was founded in 2002 when a small number of socially conservative American Academy of Pediatrics members broke away from the AAP after it endorsed adoption by same-sex couples. They're classified by reputable organizations as being a hate group and as pushing pseudoscience or junk science when it comes to important issues such as vaccines. When you're done reviewing your 4 pieces of media and answering the questions, you're ready to share your presentation. I'll need to close out of the commenting window in order to generate a shareable link. At the top, I'll click on the Share button, and then I'll select the Basic tab. Here you can generate a shareable link, and you can choose whether you want your peers and teacher to be able to add additional comments to your presentation. Your completed presentation, which reviews 4 pieces of media, should be submitted to Google Classroom using the shareable link. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.